Hello everyone, this is Randy from the Johnston Family Homestead. As you can hear, you can still hear the generator running. They still haven't restored our power yet. The fire department was out checking for trees on the power lines and stuff, so they've cut them off. And this will just be a little update of the zucchini plants and the tomato plants too. The tomato plant's doing really good. So are the zucchini plants. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, everyone.